catatan. Okay, good morning student.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay student, today who's absent today? Nothing, okay. It's fine. Good. Today, before we start our lesson today, let me ask you some questions. Everybody knows what is narrative text?
No.
Okay, if you guys don't know what is narrative text, I will tell you. So, today we will learn narrative text. I will give you the everybody see?
Yes.
See this slide? Yes, okay. Okay guys, okay student, narrative text. Narrative text is a text. Narrative text is type of text that tells a story. Its purpose is to entertain the reader and convey moral value. Convey moral value, okay? Get it class? Get it student?
Yes.
Okay. I like to next slide. In narrative text there is 4 generic structure. It is orientation, resolution, complication, resolution, and last is reorientation. Okay, for orientation, I like to wait class. I like to explain the orientation. Okay, for orientation is introduction of character and setting, and then complication. Complication is problem the story. Problem for the story. Okay, get it? Yes. And next is resolution. Resolution is how the problem ends. And the last one is reorientation. Reorientation is moral value. What we get from the story about. Okay. And then I'd like to give you some example. One example for narrative text. Okay, student. This is story Malin Kundang. Who knows Malin Kundang? Everybody knows Malin Kundang? Yes, okay, of course, yeah. Who want to read this story, this example? Raise your hand. Okay, Madeline, please read the story.
Once upon a time, there lived a poor widow and her only son, Malin Kundang, in a small village near the beach. Malin was a diligent and kind boy.
Okay, great. And then I'd like to read for next. Yeah, it's okay, kan? Malin decided to sail across the sea to seek a better life. Years later, he became a rich merchant. When he returned home, he was ashamed of his poor mother. Malin refused to admit his mother had broken, she prayed to God. A storm came and Malin was turned into stone. We must into stone. Okay, student. Now I will give you some work. You guys must define the orientation, the complication, resolution, and reorientation. Okay? Get it, class? Yes. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes for you. Okay. Finish? Let me check your answer. Okay, for your answer, it is correct. Give applause for us. Okay, guys. Before we end this class, let me ask you some questions. What we can learn from Malin Kundang? Who knows? Okay. What?
Don't be arrogant and we must respect for our parents.
Okay, good job. Okay, class. Before we end this class, I will give you some homework. The assignment is you must find one story and then you find definition. You define the orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. And for the next weeks, I will check your answer. Get it, class?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for your attention. See you.
See you too.
Tuliskan sumpil.